With its impending introduction in 2025, the Renault Talisman is expected to make a huge splash in the car industry. With its eye-catching exterior, powerful engine, and plush interior, this sedan is sure to turn heads. Exhibiting exceptional aesthetic excellence, the 2025 Talisman's exterior is a genuine work of automotive art. Its attractiveness is enhanced by its polished and stylish lines and gracefully molded curves. A combination of a striking front grille and aggressive LED headlights makes this vehicle stand out from the crowd. If you look at the Talisman from the side, you'll see an expanded profile with dynamic details like strong chrome highlights and a delicate character line that goes from the front fender to the back door. The car's dynamic attitude is further emphasized by the rear design, which features a modest spoiler and a transparent diffuser. You can show off your unique style in the 2025 Talisman thanks to the wide range of eye-catching color options. Everyone may choose a color selection that suits their personality, whether it's a classic black or a blazing crimson. The sleek silhouette of the vehicle will turn heads as it cruises along the street. Optional features like a panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels in a range of sizes, and sporty body kits will allow Talisman buyers to express their individuality. The 1.6-liter turbocharged engine under the hood of the base model produces a solid 150 horsepower. An even more potent 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an astounding 200 horsepower is on offer for anyone looking for a little more power. A 7-speed automatic transmission is standard on both engines, allowing for quick and easy shifting between gears. With its exceptional gas mileage, the 2025 Talisman is an ideal everyday car. The 2.0-liter engine is anticipated to provide about 40 miles per gallon, while the 1.6-liter engine is anticipated to attain around 45 miles per gallon. Drivers that value performance and fuel economy will be enticed by these remarkable numbers. The 2025 Talisman is expected to make its dealer debut in the first quarter of 2025 with a starting price of $28,000 for the base variant. A little more money will get you the 2.0-liter engine, which is more powerful. The Talisman is a fascinating alternative for both car enthusiasts and regular drivers due to its affordable price, superb performance, and impressive amenities.